iOS 26.2 is finally here, but it comes with a massive catch. Apple has enabled several critical settings that are leaking your data and tracking your every move without you knowing. I'm Protech Genius, and today I'm showing you the top 5 settings you must change right now to take back control of your iPhone. Setting 1. Sneaky automatic updates. In iOS 26.2, Apple changed the install screen to trick you into enabling full automatic updates. This can lead to buggy software and battery drain before you're ready. Go to Settings General. Software Update Automatic Updates. Turn off Install iOS Updates. You should always wait a few days to see if an update has bugs before installing it manually. Now that you've stopped the forced updates, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I release daily guides to keep your iPhone secure and running at 100%. Join the Protech Genius family. Setting 2. Significant locations. Your phone is keeping a log of every specific place you visit. It's creepy and unnecessary. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Location Services, System Services. Tap significant locations and turn it off. Don't forget to hit Clear History to delete the map they've already built. Setting 3. App Privacy Report. You need to see which apps are spying on your microphone or camera in the background. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. App Privacy Report. If it's off, turn it on. This will give you a weekly breakdown of exactly what your apps are doing behind your back. Setting 4. iPhone Analytics and Improvements. By default, your phone sends logs of your daily activity back to Apple to improve products. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics and improve Siri and dictation. This saves both your data and your battery. Setting 5. Personalized advertising. Apple uses your App Store history to target you with ads. Let's stop that. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Apple Advertising. Turn off the Personalized Ads toggle. You'll see fewer targeted ads and keep your interests private. Your privacy is now locked down. But security is only half the battle. If you want to make sure your iPhone lasts all day on this new update, you need to watch my ultimate guide on the proper battery settings to boost battery life. Hit that like button, subscribe to Protech Genius, and click the video on your screen right now to master your battery life on iOS 26.2.